Hey there, Globetrotters and Japan fanatics! Today we're whisking you away to Osaka, a buzzing city that perfectly blends the ancient with the ultra-modern. Ready for an adventure? Let's kick things off at Universal Studios Japan. Wizards, minions, and thrills await. But hey, save some energy, because Osaka Castle with its sweeping views and historical treasures is next on our list. Got a craving? Dotonbori promises an explosion of flavors with its iconic takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Dive deeper at Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan, get spiritual at the serene Shitenoji Temple, or embrace tranquility at Sumiyoshi Taisha. For the shopaholics, Tenjinbashi Suji offers miles of retail therapy. Need a breath of fresh air? Namba Parks has stunning rooftop gardens. Feel on top of the world on the Tempozan Ferris wheel, or unleash your inner chef at the Momofuku Ando Instant Ramen Museum. Want more culture? Catch a mesmerizing Bunraku puppet show, stroll through time at the Osaka Museum of Housing and Living, or discover hidden gems like Hozenji Yokocho. Osaka's a treasure trove of excitement.